Welcome to Ethical Hacking Tutorial 2.1. Today I am going to talk about custom proxy chain. To understand proxy chain, it is highly recommended to view Ethical Hacking Tutorial Part 2. If you use loopback IP in the proxy chain settings, proxy chain automatically find out proxy servers and route your internet traffic through that proxy server. But it is not secure at all. You have to be sure that your proxy server will not share your information to others. Let's see how to configure custom proxy chains. Open your web browser, find free SOCKS 5 proxy list. Now we are in socklist.net. Here you can find the free proxy servers. This site dynamically check the availability of these proxy servers, and here is the country. You should select country with good reputation of keeping personal information safe. Open the terminal. We are arranging this window side by side so that we can copy proxy server address and port number. I'm going to edit proxy chain configuration file. End of the file. Actually, I have already typed proxy server names. Here is the protocol, proxy server IP addresses. Press Ctrl X, press Y to save and exit. Clear the screen. Before running the proxy chains, make sure that all of your web browser is closed, otherwise it will not work. Finally, DuckDuckGo open, type DNS lake test. I hope it will search faster. Proxy chain actually a slower process. It is showing I'm from Germany. My IP is from Germany. I'm assuring you that I'm not from Germany at all. So Proxychain can be a very good tool to hide your activity behind it. It is covering Firefox activity. If you use Proxychain command to run nmap, then it will also cover the activity of nmaps. Gradually, I will show you how to cover your pen testing activity in future video.